Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can turn your photo into a cartoon style in Canva. And the easiest way to achieve that is by using a third-party app that is connected to Canva, so we can get a better picture, and also the process is a lot quicker and a lot simpler. So anyway, I got this photo from the Canva library, and I'm going to make this picture slightly bigger so you can see her face better. And yeah, I'm going to focus only on her face around here. And after that, after you got a picture inserted into your document, you can navigate to apps right here, and then you can search for the name of the app that you want to use. So in this case, there are actually, I found 3 different apps that you could use. The first one is called Reimagine, but I'm not going to show you how to use that on every single app because they are going to be very different. So Reimagine is the first one. This is the name of the app. The second option is Cartoonify. So this is the app that you can use. The process of using that is pretty much the same. Just select the photo and then click generate. And the last option is Cartoon Filter. So this is the one that I'm going to use and demonstrate in this video. This is the app, the one with the dog icon. Click open, and now just wait until the app is loaded to your Canva account. Again, this process is similar to the other 2 apps. Just select the picture and then click generate and replace. Now just wait for a few seconds until this app is turning this photo into a cartoon style. So usually this is going to take about 20 to 30 seconds or maybe even less. And in this case, it's almost finished. So we just need to wait a few more moments until we see the result of this generation. Okay, there is a quick update. So the first generation was failed, so I changed the photo with something different, and this is the result. But I'm going to show you what is the original photo look like. This is the original photo, and this is after the generation. So from my various testing, apparently if you want to get the best result, it is recommended to use a photo with high contrast. So maybe before you want to change the photo or apply a cartoon effect, it is recommended to increase the saturation and the contrast of this of the picture. You can click edit, click adjust, and you can increase this number, the saturation, so the color is going to be more pop out, and also the contrast is going to be a lot higher. This is going to be very helpful for the AI to decide where it wants to draw the line, which again will create a better cartoonist effect. So that is one thing that I forgot to mention in the beginning, but I hope you can try this again, and you can use various AI tools to generate a cartoon effect in Canva. Regardless of that, I hope you found this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.